Watch how we use AI to generate talking heads videos that make us hundreds of dollars every single day. First 99 action takers get instant access to AI Talkie done for you plus Profit Accelerator Unleashed. Average user saw 325% increase in profit, worth $1,997. In seconds, AI Talkie will turn those scripts into virtual humans, videos that are guaranteed to go viral anywhere. Paid ads are horrible. It may work for some people, but in most cases, it doesn't. It's absurdly expensive and requires a lot of experience. In fact, you can expect to spend anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 upfront just to test paid ads. And only God knows if it's going to work or not. But with AI Talkie, we generate thousands of clicks for 100% free. When you get access to AI Talkie today, you will get a free commercial license which will allow you to create videos for any clients you want, without paying a penny extra, and keeping 100% of the profit. There is zero risk for you. You get to try AI Talkie for 30 days, and if for any reason you don't think it's not worth its weight in gold, just send us a message, and we will process your refund ASAP. I'm one of the few humble guys that truly makes six figures online every single month. I'm incredibly blessed to have such an amazing lifestyle. But let me tell you this, it didn't happen easily. I wasn't born with a golden spoon. I had to struggle most of my life to get where I am now. And because I know how it feels to struggle, I made it my life purpose to try and change as many lives as I can. So, over the past years, I did exactly that. I can't lie. Money is good and everything. But getting good news messages from my students on a daily basis is what keeps me going every single day. The rush of happiness I get from these messages beats anything else. Knowing that I ended someone's struggle and finally gave them financial freedom. I gave them the key to do whatever they want. When you get access to AI Talkie today, you will get a free commercial license which will allow you to create videos for any clients you want, without paying a penny extra, and keeping 100% of the profit. There is zero risk for you. You get to try AI Talkie for 30 days, and if for any reason you don't think it's not worth its weight in gold, just send us a message, and we will process your refund ASAP. After you get access to AI Talkie, you will get instant access to a bundle of bonuses that are designed to 10x your results in half the time. This is not just random bonuses. Every part of this took us months to develop and perfect, and today, all of it will be yours for free. Unlike anything else on the market right now, we've put out 110% in creating AI Talkie, and we have been successfully using it for the past 18 months with no fail. Not only that, you will be joining hundreds of profitable members who use AI Talkie daily to generate results like this. It's the first to a market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it. But I make enough money from using AI Talkie, so I don't need to charge you that I use it daily. So I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to AI Talkie for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner. Which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running AI Talkie. Listen. It's really simple. If you're sick of all the BS that is going on the market right now, if you're worried about inflation and the prices that are going up like there is no tomorrow, AI Talkie is for you. It was designed to be the life-changing system that you've been looking for. Right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. Worried about what will happen if it doesn't work for you? Look, AI Talkie is not one of those trash or untested apps. We know what it's capable of. However, in the unlikely event that you fail to use AI Talkie for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We make more than enough with AI Talkie. And no need to keep your money if you are not gonna use it. Not just that. We will send you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get AI Talkie and don't make any money. You will still get extra bonuses for trying it out.